What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Braunig Lake in San Antonio. We're gonna be going for some common carp. It's kind of windy and it's kind of cold, so I don't think I'm gonna try for redfish quite yet. We got some fish bites, so I might try that after a couple hours if we don't hit any carp. But I'm gonna make the carp bait up and try to get some carp right now. There's nobody here, so I think we're gonna go try to fish the first point. I've caught some carp there before, so we're gonna try that first and then we'll see what happens after that. So I hope y'all enjoy the video. If y'all do, make sure y'all like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later. All right, guys, we're trying a new bait today. This is called tiger nuts. This is in vanilla extract and some other stuff. I got these from a guy in Austin. He works for Wicked Carp Company. I think that's what it's called. He works for that company, and he gave us some of these tiger nuts, and apparently they work really good for carp. I've never used them before, so we're just getting casted out and see what we get. Got the bait made, so let's check it out. Pull and drag, dude. You want it? You want it? All right, guys, we're hooked up on a carp finally. What we came for. Feels like a pretty decent one. Pulled some pretty good drag. Hit hard, right? Yeah. Drag was going. Probably a good 10 or 15 pounder. I think he's coming back to the right. Right here. All right, we should be good. Yeah, it's a decent one. I've never seen anybody catch a redhead with that big. It's a heavy one, huh? Pretty warm, right? Yeah, that's fine. Well, you're a believer now?
Yes, sir. What do you do? You still?
No? Yeah, I'll go grab it. All right, 0.
Is this an Android?
iPhone 15.8. All right, cool. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. That was big, man.
Yeah, they're tough too. He'll live. He'll swim off good. They're tough, dude. For whatever reason, you can keep them out of the water forever and they'll just...
No hesitation.
Yeah. Man.
You're on that man's line over there.
I know.
Damn.
Another good one.
He's mad, man. He's mad. That's a big one.
Oh.
Big. Dude, they're big, man, here.
Yeah.
That's it. And the carp whisperer. Alright. I'm gonna rebait it.
I told you. You know Spanish?
No.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the day. We ended up with about 10 or 15 common carp. We caught them all on the same bait mixture I've used in previous videos, which is just the breadcrumbs, corn, and jello mixture with the hair rig. And today we actually used vanilla scented tiger nuts, which is a really good bait for carp. Biggest one was 15 pounds, which is the lake record, but the lake record shows to be like 7 pounds, and that's not really that big. So I think maybe nobody turns in records for this lake for carp. I don't know why. Maybe people just don't like fish for them. Maybe people think they're trash fish, which, you know, maybe they are. But they're fun to catch, and we caught a bunch of them today, 10 or 15. Like I said, biggest one was 15 pounds. All of them range between like 9 and 12. There's a couple like pretty small ones, but for the most part, they're a bunch of solid fish. and they were fun to catch. No redfish today, unfortunately, but we had a good day. It's getting late and it's getting cold, so gonna head on home, call it a day. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Once again, if y'all did like it, make sure y'all subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.